Yo dudes!
Welcome to 10-minute high-protein breakfast burrito.
This is easy to make, incredibly delicious, and we're gonna do it in 10 minutes.
Are you ready?
Yes!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Start your engines, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, engines are started, folks. Pan on a high heat.
Okay, big pan on high heat.
I'm going with a little pan. We're going to start with our scrambled tofu. Steam flames. Crumble in the tofu there
So
for me.
we've got, how big? That's about 200 grams of tofu, is it?
That is 200 grams of tofu. Yes, correct. Very good. So this is, as we said, this burrito is for 2 people. We are, what are we, 9 minutes
Toned
in?
down our energy, that's nice.
Yeah, we have. Just to calm it right down. Relax. See, we can be relaxed too. We're not complete lunatics.
Okay, so a little bit of, so just because this is scrambled tofu, we do want to mimic its,
We do want it definitely looking a little bit like egg-like, so we're going to go with a little bit of
turmeric. Not too much that it goes luminous, but just enough that it looks like.
Did you pop in a little bit of salt?
Pinch of salt. We go with another pinch. I think a generous portion is good.
I do like it.
And if there are big chunks, just break them down. Because what we're trying to do here is really season it all the way through. A little pinch of smoked paprika. You okay with that?
Yeah, great. And then I'm going to go with a tablespoon of turmeric.
And can I go with a little bit of garlic? A little bit of garlic.
Jeez, there's a lot of bits there now in my tofu, isn't
A
there?
little bit of garlic. Gosh, we got the time. So we're going with a nice generous pinch.
Do you have another little bit of turmeric there for me?
Yeah, I do, yeah. Do you want a little heavy on the tamari, is that it? Very unlike you. For those of you who are new to this, David has a love affair with tamari that's been going on many years, and if anyone is watching that owns a tamari factory and that would invite us, we will gladly come in our bathing suit. We are very excited about it. Yeah. Okay, so we've increased our volume of turmeric to
Okay, so I'm going to leave that cook away for another minute here or 2.
And as that cooks for longer,
I'm gonna pop
the
it on the
yellow
low heat.
hue is going to intensify.
Okay, I'm popping that in the low heat and we're going to do that. Okay, mein Bruder.
Yeah.
That means my brother, auf Deutsch. Okay, we're going to do the refried beans. Beans in here.
Beans in here, yes sir.
Yes. Pinch of salt.
Pinch of salt, yes sir.
Yeah.
I like this. Jeez, this is very
Fill a glass.
military cooking.
Fill a glass with approximately 70 ml of water.
Wow, okay, 70 ml.
AKA about 5 tablespoons of water.
Okay.
I didn't say it in yet.
Oh yes, sorry, yeah. Oh, this really is ready, steady cook.
Yeah.
Cooking for it.
I'd pop in a bit of black pepper.
Yeah, yes sir.
Slice up those scallions there.
Yes sir.
We're not going to add them in yet though.
Okay.
So this, I find making
So
refried
if
beans.
I didn't know what a scallion is, what is a scallion?
A scallion is also known as a spring onion. Sometimes it's referred to, or a green onion in other parts of the world.
Am I okay chopping them at a side?
You can chop them at an angle. Yep. Don't add them into the pan yet for me now though,
Yes
please.
sir, yes sir.
Okay, so our tofu scramble is pretty much done. Looks pretty nice. It's starting to char slightly around the edges. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of oat milk. That's a tip from Shawnee, is the other side of the camera here. Just a little drop.
He says it'll hold together a little bit better in our burrito.
So it just sticks, it sticks better. It's a bit more sticky in our burrito. So a little bit of oat milk, and then I'm going to knock that off the heat. Tofu scramble is a fait accompli.
Wow, yeah, famous.
Excellent. Okay,
that's a good bit extra, so just a little bit.
A little bit of water, yeah. Lovely hurling. I'm going to go with a tablespoon of...
Yeah, and can I take out my stress?
Yeah, take out your stress.
Okay, so
Go get him, champ.
See, thanks.
Mashy.
So you'll always use a potato masher?
Always use a potato masher.
And if I didn't have a potato masher, what would I use?
Ooh.
So most people don't realise
a fork.
beans are over half of beans' calories are carbohydrate.
So I'm going to go in with a little bit of smoked paprika. I do want kind of Mexican flavours in this. So a little bit of smoked paprika, a little bit of cumin.
And when I mash the beans, the starch is being released, and that's going to help thicken it and provide that nice, kind of very typical.
Well, it can give a bit of
refried
viscosity, to
of body.
A bit of body. So how are we doing time-wise? Geez, 5 minutes already. Geez, we're flying along.
Yeah.
It could be a 5-minute high-protein burrito.
I
nearly.
don't think we get there.
No, I don't think we quite get there, but we nearly could. Okay, so I've got some cherry tomatoes. I got a few different varieties. So we got reds.
You happy with that, chef?
Not bad, chef.
Yeah,
you could
chef.
add in the scallions in there now.
Okay, scallion.
AKA green onions. Add them and just mix them through it, just for a bit of colour, bit of texture, bit of variety. Bump up the nutrient profiles. Yeah, you can if you want to, yeah. We probably have enough cherry tomatoes there. That's about 10 cherry tomatoes in total.
Okay, just get that.
And they don't need to be multicolours, they can be whatever colour you want. In they go there.
Jesus, you're making this fierce fancy.
Jeez, sure, we're fierce fancy altogether. Right, we're going to serve this with a bit of guacamole. As I said, this serves 2, and this is a really simple guacamole.
Would you go so far as even to call it a guacamole?
Yeah, you could probably call it smashed avo, might be more a truer sense of the...
Any acid to go with this?
There'll be acid in my smashed avocado.
Okay, probably.
Yeah. So I'm chopping it in my hand. The most common injury is a hand injury, is from chopping avocados.
So you're just showing people how to get avocado ham.
I'm just being a daredevil. Okay, so we got one ripe avocado. These are Hass varieties. We're going to pop in juice of 1 lime, pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, maybe a little bit of chili, and then our smashed avocado is done.
Okay, nice. Be generous with the lime. It'll help it break down. It'll also provide a bit of acidity to this dish.
Okay, you do the same with the other avocado while we're waiting. Okay, I'm going to pop another. I do like my burrito quite hot, so I've got another pan. I'm going to pop it on a high heat, and we're going to toast our burritos.
If you do want to avoid avocado hams, allow the better twin. No, sorry. David's the better twin.
David's the better twin. Okay, we got 3 minutes left. We're not doing bad. David's the better twin. Jeez, I don't think I've ever.
That's called fake. What do you call that? Fake.
That's like that thing where people pretend
fake,
to be really kind or whatever.
Fake. What do you call it? Fake.
The thing on the internet.
No, fake. Where you understate
I don't know.
yourself.
People could comment down below.
Yeah, fake.
Humility.
Humility. Yeah.
Fake humility. Yeah. You're having a lash at humility.
Yeah. Trying to. Okay, pinch of salt in there to take the lime on.
Okay, so I do like, so this is just a whole wheat burrito. You could use a corn burrito, whatever type of wrap or burrito you want. I just went with whole wheat.
What's
whole wheat.
If you didn't know what a wrap is, what's a wrap?
In Ireland and the UK, we tend to call them wraps because, I don't know.
We didn't grow up with
That's
tortillas.
the word we used anyway rather than tortilla. Yeah, because you wrap it around the food. It's
Really
like
are,
flat
exactly.
bread. Yes, so it is.
So anything else you want to go through that? A bit of chili?
We could go through a little bit of chili through it, but personally we've got nice colours, we've got nice textures. You could serve this with a bit of sauerkraut, a bit of kimchi. We've got 2 minutes 30 left.
Put a bit of
this is
sauerkraut.
really a 7.5 minute burrito. Okay, do you want to get a plate and we'll plate this up?
Lovely. And show them how to wrap a burrito.
Okay, there's your first burrito, Mr. Flynn. Or I'll toast it one more, just give me one more.
Okay,
minute.
great.
I'm just
What way you want to go?
I probably got the beans in the bottom.
Beans in the base. There, you heard it from
Beans,
burrito man.
buttery bean base. Buttery,
Did
buttery
anyone
beans.
ever hear that expression? Beans, the more you eat, the more you lower your risk of cardiovascular disease. Correct.
That is a great joke, Stephen.
It is. That is
a good joke.
I'd like to credit Dr. Alan Desmond, consultant gastroenterologist, for that one. Big shout out to you, Dr. Al.
Hilarious, Stevie, hilarious.
That's Al's joke.
So, as we said, we're making this for 2 people. There's approximately 50 grams of protein per portion here. The main proteins come from the tofu and the beans.
Oh yeah, there's loads of tofu in this.
Yeah, there is, yeah. But it should be plenty. There's probably loads for 2 of us. But it does work really, really well.
And a little bit of acid, I think, is important here.
You do like an El Pickle, don't you?
I love it, pickle.
Okay, pan off a high heat. Ladies and gentlemen, I would very confidently say that is...
Well, let me wrap it up and just show it.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, here it is.
Well, we're 1 minute to spare. So it's a 9-minute burrito. 9 minutes. It's not even a 10-minute. It's a 9-minute high protein burrito.
Not 8, not 7. Looks good though.
Yeah, you're some man.
Okay, well, let's slice it up and show you how the inside looks.
Yeah.
Okay, serrated knife makes it easier. Here is our wrap. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, yum. That was delicious. 9-minute wrap. You want to give it an L?
9-minute burrito. Okay, let's rate it out of 10. Out of 10, out of 10. It's an 11, folks!
Great flavour. That tofu really does.
That's
With the
yum.
tofu, you do want it to taste more egg-like. Add a little bit of calam namak, also known as black sulphur salt. Yeah, my muscles feel bigger already.
Yeah. No, very tasty.
Incredibly tasty. 50 grams of protein per portion.
Yep, 9-minute high protein breakfast burrito. Yeah, thank you for watching. We will put the recipe on our website, so if you want the written recipe, click through. If you do enjoy our content, we've got a recipe club where we've got more than 600 recipes, and it's about supporting you to eat more veg, eat more plant-based foods. So do check that if you're interested. It's only $3.99 a month, so it's cheaper than a cup of coffee.
Thanks for watching, and we're identical twins, Dave and Steve, and our mission is to help you eat more veg.
I probably should have said that at the start.
Yeah, anyway. Bye, wishing you a good day. Bye, 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 bye.